Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Ethereum also on a lower degree. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification, and join my public Telegram group. Link in the description. If you're looking to join the premium group, you can always, send me a message. Link of the Discord public group in the description also, right? So now let's go ahead and dive into the analysis and take a look at BTC on a 6-hour basis. What we said last time, Bitcoin was at 43. We're just going to recap what we said because most of you guys are pretty new to my content, right? So what we said was like after we retested 43 44k area, we said we're going to be looking for 52 as a resistance. Okay, once we hit 52, it is going to be very crucial for the bulls. Yes, price action can break out above 52, but it could be a temporary challenge. So as of now, what I'm looking for, at least within the next like a few hours and so on, I'm looking for a strong volume breakout above like a 52. Okay, if like we fell to a break above 52, we could be looking for temporary support right around like 6-hour 21 and 6-hour 100 EMA. If you take a look at it right now, it is just about like a 47 to 47, right, to 48 range, right here, right there. That's going to be our temporary support if like we get rejected or just about like a 52 was our target anyway when we were at a 43 44. So if you take a look at it in terms of like gains, it was a nice 20% move, okay, give or take, okay, depending where where you exit at, right? So now let's take a look at BTC on a 7-day basis, right? On a 7 days basis, what we said was like 52 going to be resistance, right? Based on a closing basis. So what we said was like it is not going to be easy for BTC to close above 52 on a 7 days basis, right? We know, even though like market it is still bullish, you can see like 52 was rejection on a 7 days basis. After we pumped it upside, we could not close above like a candle open, drop all the way down and retested it again. Okay, so it could be crucial even if like a price action pump above a next target up to like a 54 55, it might not close above like a 54 55 within the next like a 24 to 48 hours, because candle gonna close like in 48 hours. The 7 days chart, it is not the same as the weekly time frame. I like to use the 7 days candle because it gives you like a broader chance to see like all resistance and all of that good stuff, right? So now let's take a look at BTC on a weekly basis. If you take a look at it on a weekly basis, you can see like what I like to say is like whenever you get an engulfing candle, right, don't be bearish too soon, because price action likes to retest like 50% of the previous body candle right here. You see what I'm saying? So that's one of the reasons why I was saying like don't be bearish, even though like we the weekly is engulfing. So if you shorted the the candle close right here, you're getting squeezed out. Okay, so that's not good at all. I never short like after a after an engulfing weekly candle. Price action most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time likes to retest 50% of the body candle. So can we retest like the entire move? Absolutely. Okay, we're going to take a look at it once we basically close a 7-day candle right here, because remember 7 days candle going to close when it is going to close in 48 hours, but the weekly time frame going to close when in like 4 days, something like that, right? 4 or 5 days. So something to remember, even though we can get rejected at 54, after by Friday we can basically pump above like a 56 54 range before weekly close and try to get some sort of like a challenge at 57, right? So but all I want to say is like market it is still bullish. Okay, weekly candle going to be going to be crucial, but it is still bullish. Okay, now let's take a look at the 2-day time frame. The 2-day time frame, what I said was like we're still going to be in an uptrend as long as we staying above the yellow line. Our yellow line, it is our 21 EMA on a 2-day basis. As long as we above it, I'm bullish. Okay, if we break above it, I'm going to be looking for my 2-day 100 EMA right there. But as of now, sucker is right around like a 27.9, so I'm not expecting like BTC to drop below 30k. So let's see if bear is going to be strong enough, right? to basically delay the uptrend, delay the uptrend. That's what I can call it, because I don't think, like, we're gonna be dropping below 30K anytime soon and all of that good stuff. Okay, they can delay it, and we could get another retest of the 43 over the next like a few weeks and so on, and get this flat correction. It could be a flat, or it could be a triangular formation. We just don't know. But one thing we know is, like, if we get rejected at 57, it doesn't mean like the bull run is over. As I said it last week, okay, on the 22nd, market was dropping. What I said, we're gonna buy exactly at the 2-day 21. Okay, so 2-day 21 rebound, likely to retest at some point 57 over the next like a few days and so on, right? So let's see what we're going to get at 57, which is going to be our max resistance. Medium term resistance, we're going to be looking for like a 54, okay, after 52, right? All right, guys, so now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, it is starting to look good. What we wanted to see is, like, we wanted to see Ethereum to pump above the 2-day 21 EMA. If you basically watch my previous analysis regarding Ethereum, what we said was, like, price action is below the 2-day 21. MACD is bearish, so Ethereum is not looking so great. So we need to give it like a few more days to basically confirm the reversal by trying to stay above the 2-day 21. As long as we can basically pump back up above the 21 EMA on the 2-day basis, bulls could basically definitely go back and regain control up to like a 1971. So 1971 going to be right here, okay, a big resistance for Ethereum. However, guys, we're not going to pump all the way up to a 1971, okay. Medium term resistance going to be right there, okay, just about like a 1737, okay. Keep an eye on 1737 and basically 1971. In terms of Fibonacci, you can also take a look at it in terms of Fibonacci, swing high to swing low, give or take, okay. 1737 going to be just about like a 0.618, okay. 1737 going to be 0.618. So I'm still bullish on Ethereum. I know it dropped a lot from like 1971, just about like 2000, let's say 2047, down to like 1300, but we did buy the dip right here at 1300 and basically took it back up to like a 1660. So right now it is just consolidating. Let's see how long it is going to take for Ethereum to get the job done and break above like a 1737 and try to challenge above 1971 and all of that good stuff, okay. It might not even be the initial breakout. Once again, sucker can do something like that before excuse me, before basically continuing the uptrend. So but we're just gonna focus on the directional move, which is like the uptrend. Overall, Ethereum, it is still bullish. I said it since October, guys. I was one of the biggest bear, but once again, when Ethereum was like 380, I was saying, like, guys, do not worry about like shorting Ethereum. Sucker can pump a lot, so it is still a good hold. As you can see, back in like September, October, November was kind of challenging right here, okay, to get the breakout, but I was still bullish, okay. As soon as we broke above like a 413, bang, and you can take a look at it right around like a 750, 740 range. Ethereum was also moving very, very slow, but afterward you can see like we got the big move to the upside. So you just gotta be patient with most of these alts. Sometimes they can move sideways for like a week, 2 weeks, or even like a 3 month, and then you decide to sell them, bang, okay, they pump like 10x. All right, Ethereum, it is still bullish. It could be moving sideways once again over the next like a few weeks, but we're just gonna monitor it and see at what price level we could get a clear breakout, because what we got right now, it is not a breakout, it is still correction, it is still correcting, okay, it is still correcting. So just treat it like a correction, and I wouldn't be FOMOing, even if like you miss the trend and sucker pump all the way up to 2000, it can still drop right back down to 1300 over the next like a few weeks, okay. But let's see what we're gonna get after a break above 1737 and all of that good stuff. All right, so that's all I wanted to cover for BTC and Ethereum. Let's go back to BTC really quickly and check the hourly time frame, because We did not talk about the hourly on. So let's take a look at the hourly. So hourly, I'm liking it, right? Nice support from the 21 EMA, but engulfing candle right here. So that's what I'm saying. Like, we just have to be very, very cautious. It is a three-way move, but if we break the 21 EMA on the hourly, we just gotta get this support at 48. And we talk about 48, 47. If you take a look at 48, 47, once again, it is right around our, right around the 6 hour 21 EMA. So if we get any big sell-off, we're likely to see a big support at 6 hour 21 and basically 6 hour 100 EMA. 6 hour 100 EMA right now just about like a 47.258, and a 6 hour 21 EMA just about like a 49.031. Okay, 6 hour 100 EMA 47.258 as of now, and then 21 EMA just about like a 49.026 as of now. Okay, all right guys, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to hit the likes, right? Don't forget to join the public Telegram group, link in the description. If you want to basically join Send Crypto, you can definitely Send Crypto Premium. You can definitely send me a message and be able to access. You're going to be able to access all my premium setup, long-term setup, lower time frame, higher time frame, BTC, Ethereum, Bluezel, you name it, BZRX, Compound, Bell, you name it, guys. All the we trade the market, across the board. Okay, all right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching.